Yeah, I'm Shijo Francis, Assistant Project Director for HANSA NG program of CSIR and AL. HANSA NG is certified under the JAR VLA, very light aircraft category with 750 kg all of weight. This aircraft is primarily used for the pilot training in the flying training schools. This is the first aircraft that is certified in India which can be used by the flying clubs for their pilot training. All composite aircraft, technology developed by CSIR and AL, and this particular aircraft is a prototype aircraft of HANSA NG, and we have completed most of the certification flights including the sea level trials, and we are expecting our certification to get completed by by end of April, and the production we are expecting to start by June this year. HANSA is a basic ab initio trainer. This aircraft can also be used for environment monitoring, hobby flying, and for aerial photography also. Engine used is Rotax 912 ISC. So one of the most important aspect of this is to bring the flight training cost down. So this engine consumes only 13 liters per hour, and AV gas 100 LL is used right now. We are also trying to get the approval for the motor gas so that 95 octane fuel can be used on this. The engine is already certified to use that. And fuel tank capacity is about 95 liters, 6 hours of endurance, and 1100 kilometers is the range. Otherwise, we build this from the drawing board to the product. So the entire capability for maintenance, manufacturing, and for the quality system and for the support product support is available with us. So people don't have to run around, globally for getting the maintenances done. Everything is available in India itself, and that too with CSIR and AL. So we look forward to the flight training organization and individual interested to have a look at the aircraft and take it forward, convert to purchase orders and stuff like that for future. We have very good response. As far as this particular Wings India Aviation is concerned, there are a lot of visitors, a lot of potential customers have already contacted us, and we look forward to a better. Approximate cost will be between cost right now I cannot comment on it because it is still under the preparation. So we have our commercial team working on it, and they can comment on that. Exposure here was fantastic, and thanks to the organizers for doing a wonderful job here.